The P06DA00 code in Mercedes car means that the oil pump solenoid malfunctions, and it may sound very bad since it's connected with oil pressure, but in real life this oil pump solenoid was proven useless by Mercedes, and that's why even in official diagnostic software you will see something like ignore and delete this code instead of the description of the oil pressure problems. So what's happening when you see this code? The solenoid that controls the oil flow from the pump fails and sends wrong resistance readings to the ECU. The ECU just switches to full oil pressure at all times, and that's all. So basically there is nothing to worry about, but still I would test the pressure to see if everything is okay and to get a peace of mind. There are tools for testing oil pressure in Mercedes engines, but it would be faster and cheaper to find an independent shop that can do this within 10 or 15 minutes. If you see proper pressure, just ignore this code and keep driving. You can potentially replace the solenoid, but if you decide to do so, please remember that the wiring harness should also be replaced. Also, in a lot of engines, this solenoid is located just behind the oil pan and it's relatively easy to get to, but other engine models will require taking off the engine, which is a scary amount of work and an even scarier amount of money to waste. I personally know a Mercedes vehicle with this code, and it's been running for over 100,000 kilometers with the code, and there are no issues at all. Also, this code doesn't trigger any warning lights, so you may just let it sit there.